friends, today I have this Nerf Elite Disruptor toy gun, which is suitable for children with age 8 plus years. So I got this gun from Flipkart, and let's do the unboxing and review of this Elite Nerf gun. So let's quickly start with unboxing. So I'll just put the packing over here. Okay, so we have the gun, and as it is mentioned here, we should also be getting 6 Elite Nerf darts. So let's just open this. So as you can see, I've opened the box, and I'll just keep this gun aside for some time. And as you can see, we got 6 darts, and it's really of good quality. We'll review it later. And we also got some user manual how to operate this gun. So I'll just also keep it aside. Let's keep the box aside. Okay, so I'll open this dart quickly. And as you can see, the build quality of this gun is really good, and it feels heavy in hand. So the quality is really nice. Even the plastic quality which is used in this gun is of really good quality, and also the darts which is being provided with this gun is of good quality. As you can see, 6 darts we got along with this gun. So let's check it out how it works. Okay, so now let's see how it works. So this is the loader here. So this will load the trigger. So as you can see, it makes some sound and then it triggers the bullets. So let's see how to load bullets in drums. This is the rotating drum we have in this gun. So this is the way to load the drums. So I'll load all the 6 dart bullets inside the drum. Okay, so now we're done, and let's quickly review the all-round accessories or additional accessories which you can use with these guns. So this is the some attachments which is available with this gun. So you can buy some additional laser from Nerf brand, and you can also attach some additional biscopes, or you can say that zooming fitments over here. So let's see how it works. Let's fire some bullets and check it out. So now I'm going to fire some bullets. So I've already loaded the triggers here. So as you can see, oh wow, it was really fast. Let's do some. Ooh. Now let's see. Let's try to hit some targets. Are you done? Wow. Ooh, burst mode. Okay. Okay, so now as you have seen the burst mode as well as single mode and how this gun works, and it's really awesome gun, and your kids will be super happy to have this gun and to play with this gun, and it's really cool. And I bought it from Flipkart at 700 bucks. So you can go for it, and it's really reasonable as per the pricing and the quality. It's really worth the money you pay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.